Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have a 12 pack of Shopkins and the Sweet Spot playset. This looks so cool. And I love this one. It's a cart. It's a candy cart trolley. It comes with two exclusive Shopkins. Looks like a lollipop and a jelly bean. It's a lollipop stand and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks. So it can fit 8 Shopkins. Here are the 2 bags that comes with a set. It's pretty. It has a bow. Let's try to fit a jelly bean inside. Yeah, it can only fit 1 Shopkins inside. Oh, I love the colors. And here is our Sweet Spot Gumball. Let's take a look inside. And there's 1 bubble stuck inside. We got orange, pink, blue, yellow, and red. We're gonna try it. Let's count how many gumballs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, it won't come up. Shake, shake, shake. Ah, no wonder, because it is open. So this is 5. And 6. So we got 6 gumballs. Gumball's bubbles. And we're gonna fill this in with Shopkins. Now let's open our 12-pack Shopkins. It comes with stack and display case. Comes in glittery pink. Cool, it's super cute. I love this. Just slide this up. There are 2 Shopkins hiding inside. We got the ultra rare tennis ball and I don't know who's this one. Looks like a Petkins. Let's take this off. Here is tennis ball. This one is comfy cushion. There she is, comfy cushion. She is so cute. She has a light pink color with 3 purple dots on her forehead. Let's see how many Shopkins we can fit in this case. It can fit 4. I think you can add another 4 in the front, so it can fit 8 Shopkins. Here are the Shopkins that comes with our 12 pack. We have Marty Party hat. We got super cute Bonadit. We got Betsy Buttercup and Tiny Tree. Millie Mushroom. Alright, let's get our Gumball surprise. Our pink Gumball. Let's find out what's inside. We got Petkin, Dinky Drink, Blue Gumball, and inside is Miss Pressy. Green Gumball. Inside is, we have a TV, I forgot her name. We got Tammy TV. Yellow Gumball. Inside is, looks like a weighing scale. We got Gale Scales. It's a pink weighing scale. It's not coming out. There you go. Orange Gumball. Inside our orange Gumball we have, looks like we have a bird toast, breadcrumbs. She is perfect for breakfast, pretend breakfast. Red Gumball. Oh, it's empty. That's weird. Now let's put them in the lollipop stand. How about breadcrumbs? And Miss Pressy. We got Gale Scales, and we can add Betsy Buttercup. We got the yellow jelly bean. We can put tennis ball. Shopkins, Shopkins! Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.